video introduces GJ dataLoader, a VS Code extension for loading data into InterSystems IRIS servers from text files. In my example, I have a persistent class data.Titanic. At the moment, the table, the SQL table for that class has no data in it. I also have a CSV file containing a header line and data lines to be added to that table. GJ dataLoader adds a button to the namespaces tree of the InterSystems Server Manager. On my DataLoad demo namespace, I will click Load Data. First job is to upload to the server a data file. I will find that file and upload it to the server. Select that file, click the preview button to confirm I picked the correct file. Choose the schema and the table. Review the columns. See that all of the column headers have matched up with table field names. I can then click the Load Data from File into Table button, and confirmation message shortly afterwards it is loaded. Go back to my SQL viewer here, rerun the query, and I have the records appearing in the table. That's first view of GJ dataLoader. Download it from the VS Code Marketplace. Try it for yourself. Thank you for watching.